Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful sunrise. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday I sold, and the altcoins and Bitcoin massive drop after I sold, which was good time to sell actually. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm going to see what altcoins I'm going to buy. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And the market just getting hammered last night. You can see the drops, crazy drops after I sold. World down 14%, Doge 5%, Ton 4.6%, Solana 4%, Ethereum 3.6%, BNB 2.8%, Bitcoin 108,000. And I sold yesterday. If you followed my video, I posted it. I've got 100,400 followers, and yesterday I posted it 10 hours ago. Warning, I saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Uni. People call me the GOAT. The Bitcoin pattern I saw made me close in this video is almost complete. Warning, I sold 10 hours ago. Since I sold Bitcoin and alts 9 hours ago, and you can just see 10 hours ago it sold, and massive drops across the market. Let's go into my account. My account stayed about relatively the same, 1089, because I sold yesterday before the drop. My internet a little bit slow this month, down still about this week down 100k, this month up about 140k, this 9 months up about 350k, this last 6 months up like 500,000 from my trades. If you've been following my videos, World got hit very hard. It's about to activate the trades at $1.50 that I set yesterday. These are the trades that I set yesterday. Solana 160, Doge 23 cents, Uniswap $8.60, Ethereum 2,900, Bitcoin 98,800, and you can see that we're quite close to activating all those trades. Massive storm happening here. And you can see Bitcoin dropped after I sold. Yesterday I wasn't sure if I should sell or not on this 1 hourly pattern, this rising wedge that I saw, and that played out almost exactly. On the rising wedge, built pressure and then broke down, and we came to a low of 100,100. But it looks like it's still coming down. I've got trades at 98,798, 97,500, 96 is where I've got the trades, and you can see why on the 4 hourly it also doesn't look so beautiful for Bitcoin. We've got this descending triangle with the big support at 96.37. You can see here this bigger pattern on it's a descending. So we couldn't get a pullback to, I would say major support would be sitting. Where is the major support? On the daily, on the 4 hourly, the major support is about, I would say major supports are one here at 91k. These are the big support lines. Another major support, monthly yearly chart here, 93k. And another strong support, I would say 96k. That's where I had my trades open. So 98k, also 97k. These are all strong supports. It does look like we come down to 96k, to be honest. But there is a very strong one at 97,300. And I've got my orders for Bitcoin, you can see at 98,800 for 3 Bitcoin. And World at $1.50. That's about it. What else dropped a lot? So we got a big drop on World. The trade is about to activate. Doge, Ton, Solana, everything quite dropping. Let's go into Ethereum. So where I would open trades on Bitcoin, I think safest bet would be at 97, to be honest. I would wait till 97,300. That's the riskier trade, I would say. 97,300. Stop loss 90. I will add to this trade, so I'd make my stop loss under the 90. But if you want to take a tight stop loss because it's riskier, stop loss would be at 94. So the trade would open at 97,300. Stop loss 94,900, risking 1,600 per Bitcoin, and then taking it back to this resistance 110. Risk to reward 8 times, risking 1,600 to make 13,600. 10x leverage would be 136,000. That's a safer trade I would take on Bitcoin. That's the riskiest, sorry, and the safest trade I would take off the monthly yearly support. At 93, stop loss 92, and take profit back to that resistance. Risk to reward 12 times, risking 1,400 per Bitcoin to make 18,000, no leverage. 10x leverage would be 180,000. These are the 2 trades I would take on Bitcoin. Yeah, descending triangle playing out. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we got a bit of a bounce from. This is where I opened the trade yesterday at 97. I'll show you the day before on the drop. So you can see here on Bitcoin where I bought the drop yesterday. So I bought the drop here. You can see I sold for 56k profit, 103. I bought at 98, 2.5 Bitcoin. Then I sold it last night for 10k profit, and then we're down here again. So good job. And my order for buying, my limit order at 98,800. I'll keep that same limit order. Funding fee is negative on Bitcoin, and Ethereum also same. I bought Ethereum down here and I sold it up here, and I actually closed this trade minus 14,000 in the profits, at minus 14,000 in the negative at 3,100, and then it dropped further. So it was a good thing I actually closed. Otherwise that trade would be maybe $20,000 or $30,000 in the negative. So my account actually stayed the same. I've got all my orders already sitting, ready to pick up. So you can see I've got my orders already. Ethereum 2,900, we're close. I would make it 50 Ethereum because 100 is too much. It might pull down further, then I'll buy more. 50 Ethereum at 2,900. Ton I've got at $2.80. We're at $4.70. Doge 23 cents. Solana 160. Uni $8.60. Ethereum 2,900. Very close. Uni $8.60. Uni came down to $11. How low did it go? Came down to $10.80 on that drop. I sold it here last night. I bought it down here, sold it up here. Ethereum 2,900. I think to get less actually. Let's do 30 Ethereum and then add more if it comes down further. Bitcoin 98,800. And I also had another, I wanted to set more trades on Bitcoin at, it's loading. So I want to set at 98,800. I've got one, 97,300 and 93. Actually, it's clear that big support is at 93 and 91, and at 97 is another big support. I'm going to modify it at 97,400. So 97,400 for 3 Bitcoin, 97,400, and then 93,600 for 2 Bitcoin and 91. $93,600, 2 Bitcoin, and 91 for 3 Bitcoin, 4 Bitcoin, no, 2 Bitcoin. No, it should be the other way around. So 3 Bitcoin at 91. So I'll go 3 Bitcoin at 91, 2 Bitcoin at 93,600, and 3 Bitcoin at 97,400. And the trades are now set. Ethereum I've got at 2,900. And you can see where, but I don't think Bitcoin, it might pull back to 93, but most likely we're going to get a bounce off that support line. Off this descending triangle. So I think 93 is possible, 95 also. So just keep that in mind. Let's go into Ethereum 3,000. Very close to opening my trade at 2,900. Very good call last night on that drop. Yeah, best place is 2,872 for Ethereum descending triangle, but the big supports on Ethereum I would say are on Ethereum is here. 2,800 is a major support. So okay, I'll set one at 2,000 at 3,000. I've got one trade. At 2,790. I want actually here. 2,700 is another big support, and another big support after that I would say is here, 2,100. So I want buyers at 2,100, 2,200, 2,700, and 2,900. And I've got one right now for 2,900 for 30 Ethereum. I think we will get a bounce there. Let's modify it, 20 Ethereum. No, let's do 30 Ethereum because I think we'll get a bounce there. 30 Ethereum and 2,700 and 2,200. 2,700, 30 Ethereum. And 2,100, 100 Ethereum. So my Ethereum trades 2,100, 100 Ethereum, 2,007. How much is 100 Ethereum? $10,000 trade. Liquidation would be at 2,000. Yeah, Ethereum, Bitcoin 91, 93, ton $2.80. You can see all the trades, and right now I'm almost all cash. I've been buying MCRT, a lot of it lately, and you have to do your own due diligence. In my opinion, quite oversold. And maybe I want to pick up some World. I've got my World buy at $1.50. It's very close, $1.60. But no reason for it to stop with the market panicking like this. That's my updates in the market. Big congratulations to whoever saw this X post 10 hours ago, because we dropped quite heavily. Damn, I was asleep. I left them open, but I had a feeling and only closed 25% of all trades. Damn, World killed my profits from the last 2 weeks. Best one, bro. 100% called it. James, your hit rate is amazing. Thank you very much. I've also set my orders down. A lot of people got this guy shorted World, made 71%. I'm waiting for 88K on Bitcoin. Next up, 7080. Top bro, exactly as predicted by James, aka the GOAT. Thank you, everyone. I was the only one again that I didn't see anyone else calling for a drop actually last night. Join us in the Guru chat. There's it's gonna translate it all. Very slow my internet today. I don't know why. I need to fix it. 328 of you online. You can join them in the conversation. This is where I get out of the short yesterday. Trump is being bought off by the campaign. People discussing XRP. This is all 2 to 3 times minimum. You can see what people are discussing. There's 328 of you online. This Bitcoin pattern I saw made me close it in the video is almost complete, but I think we can pull back now. There's a lot of panic in the markets. And all the links are down below to sign up to Bybit. Get a 60K bonus. Main exchange I trade. Lowest fees, best liquidity if you've been losing money in the market. So if you get liquidated, Bybit gives 60K bonus. One of the best, lowest fees, best liquidity if you've been losing money in the market. So getting liquidation spikes. Bybit is one of the best. 60K bonus on sign up. Weex is $200 sign up bonus. No KYC. Worldwide exchange. USA, UK, Australia gives $200 bonus on sign up. Bitunix $5,500 bonus. No KYC. Worldwide exchange. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the Telegram and for the courses. And again, big congratulations to all of you who got out. I'll read some of you. Any thoughts on XRP? James can see the future, I swear. I've also set my orders down. DCA 100%. James called it. Damn, I was asleep. World, this guy shorted. Do you think tomorrow, Thursday, is a good time to open longs? I just explained in this video. Guru Blood, I goes follow and set some shorts and put my buy orders much further than where they were. Go, it's almost time. You can join them in the conversation in the Telegram. Love you all. Lucky I closed actually on that pattern. If you remember yesterday, I was like, should I close? the market going up, but that pattern made me close. So always do TA on the 4 hourly, 1 hourly when we're at the top. The time to go heavy long was at 16K. And if you remember, at 16K, doesn't matter how much bad news came out, Bitcoin wouldn't drop further at 16K. That's how I knew to go heavy long and heavy spot at Bitcoin on the bottom in 2022. And just like that, now so much good news is coming up for Bitcoin. Strategic reserve, Trump, and it doesn't pass 105 because now it's high. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.